All right, you guys, welcome back. We've been busy. We have been just busy. So we're getting really close to wrapping this up. We wanted to bring you all in though. We wanted to show you all this cool little piece we're getting ready to do right here. So as we come down the staircase here, we are gonna put a nice, elegant top right here that they're gonna be able to, rest their hand on as they're coming down. There's a handrail on this side where Tom is. But we want to talk to you about this. We're going to show you every step of the way with this, and we're gonna match the upper counter over here. We're going to make this the exact same. It's going to be the black, the marble vein look. So that's what we're going to do here, and we're going to talk to you all. We're going to show you every step of the way what's going on. So we'll be doing this, over the weekend and everything. So we got plenty to show you. So first off, come on in here. I just wanted to show you on the front side what that is and what's going on. So this is just a 2x10. This is our base. Nothing fancy. We've already got our mark here for our length and this weird angle back here. Okay, this was actually 31.6 degrees is what we ripped that to. So you're coming down the staircase, maybe a little different. Ours is 31.6. So all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this guy, and I'm going to show you. We're going to be doing some routing, some curves, everything like that. We don't want any sharp edges. We don't want any bevels, anything like that that somebody could run into and hit right in their side or any of that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut, and then we're going to take it in here and stage it, and we're going to talk about it. And we're going to show you a couple little things we're going to do here right to the edge. Get it routed, sanded, and get it ready to start pouring and everything over the weekend. So here we go. All right, now we're going to do we're just going to kind of put it on here as a dry fit. Okay, without getting everything, to the spec. This is basically it. And this is what I'm talking about right here. So we got corners here. We got to address those. We got sharp corners right here. So let me show you here. We're going to take this back in here, and I want to show you what we're going to do with it. All right, so check it out. This is our end down here. And that's up where it hits the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a can of that Montana marble spray. Anything like that. We're looking for the circle underneath, and we want it to be big enough to actually turn and make an impression. So all we're doing is lining up this corner with this beveled corner. And once we have that, then I'm just going to take my pencil here and make that mark. And then we're going to do the same mark over here. Just like that. Now we're going to take a jigsaw, we're going to curve these, and then we're going to take it out here in the garage. It's still a little cold, and I think it's even raining a tad. So we're going to go out here in the garage, and we're going to show you all. We're going to get this routed up and then followed by sanding. All right, so look, normally we sand everything first, but right here is a bad spot. This is going to come out with the router, but what I want to do is I want to sand this little bit right here so it doesn't make my router jump. There you go. Now nothing is sticking out that's going to cause my router to skip right there and cause that profile to mess up. So I've already done the front here on this side just to smooth that over so that the router goes and makes a clean turn. Now I'm going to do this side here. we're really smooth. Now we're going to be able to take the router over this whole thing, and then we're going to walk this down in the grit just to about 320, 400. We are going to be painting it black, seal coating, flood coating, the whole nine. So let's get on that. You guys, check it out. So we got everything situated. Look, that's what I was talking about. So it puts that cool little bend in there, plus it's rounded over and under, and then the back side looks good. Everything looks really good now. There we go. So now all we're going to do, we're just going to paint this one time because it is going to be the black marble like we did with the big counter. I'm just going to concentrate a little bit and try to get a couple of these little holes, like right here. I'm going to actually let a little bit of that drip down in there just to get it going, like that. That way when I get to it, it'll just help. Anything I do right this minute will just help the end result. Because we're just painting this one time, and then we are going to seal coat this guy. So this will just help us with the backdrop color. So I'm going to use a paintbrush so I can go back and forth, kind of every which direction here, to get a lot of this stuff to cover real well. We'll get this first and only coat here applied, and we'll bring you back in and show you. All right, so there it is. Just the one coat. It's almost dry. Okay, the next video we put out, we'll be seal coating it. So the paint's already helping us out. I even got this little back side here, just so you know. So underneath is like this. There you go. I got way past the edges there. Okay, I'm going to end up putting a oil under there to actually seal the rest of that. We didn't go on there with the paint just to help it out. Y'all be looking over the weekend. I'm going to be putting out the seal coat, flood coat, and everything like that, and we'll move forward with this, guys. This is going to be cool. It's going to be pretty. And don't forget, we still got that wall in there with the shower to show you, along with our FX shield over there on the tops. We're actually waiting for that because of the dust we're accumulating down here and everything, just from doing the work, the rest of the basement and everything. So we'll get to that here real soon. Hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll see y'all back this weekend on a seal coat, flood coat. Till the next one.